minute to talk to your crazy friend? Yeah, it's Ned. My new goal is to get everyone I know to talk about death since we don't know when we will die and planning gets it out of the way. I'm creating a When I Die folder. Since no one knows when their last day is, I think having such a folder is a huge help to anyone left to clean up my mess. Mess? Yeah, Amber, we all leave a mess. Think about it. Is your place in perfect order? Can I open just one drawer and know if anything is valuable or has meaning? Where do I find your set of keys for cars and even your bank safe deposit box? Life is complicated. How about if I want to make sure people hear me tell them I love them? Or what memory is most vivid to me about us? Or ask them if they want my guitar or my wedding ring or whatever. My game plan is to write letters to those people and stick them in that file for when the last day for me comes. I know I'd feel better reading something from you once you're dead, and it would remind me of our great relationship. In addition to letters and passwords and directions as to where to find things, I'm adding a list of all the key players, like a lawyer and a doctor and a financial person, and who I want to have sell this house, and more. Because I can do all of that now. Sure, it might change, but if I write it now, it's a help and I can change it. Do I have to have it on paper? Of course not. There are free and almost free plans online to use. Turns out that in our computerized digital world, you have a lot of options. All of us puppets are going to help you understand the options out there so you can figure out which one service you want to use. There are pros and cons to both, as you would guess. You think this is too much? Well, how are you going to fix it? You can't just dream it and it'll go away. And even if you wanted to spend all the money in the world, which you or I don't have, even a law firm can't do all this for you. I mean, you have to compile your information and then someone, whether it's you or whomever you hire, would input it. My research led me to study 10 different digital options. Type in www Wall Street Journal and Digital Vault, and you will find a great April 2021 article that might help you better understand the overall intention. Today, I'm going to try to help you understand one of those 10 digital vaults. It's called www.everplans.com. But I think that I need to take a break and run back to work. So, can I call you tonight? This is kind of complicated, and I'll go over that www.everplans.com. Okay, girl? I love you. Bye bye. Hey, you viewers out there, is this all helping you? Do you like us puppets? If so, please subscribe and give me a like. It makes me feel good. Make my day.